Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I'm here with a color spotlight for you. I'm here to show you the color Salt and Pepper Rooted by Wille. The color code is 395144. So this one is on a wig that's been discontinued. The name of this wig is Grace, and Grace is no longer available. But since the color is still available, I thought I would do this review so that you are able to see this beautiful color even though this wig is no longer available. So if you'd like to see Salt and Pepper Rooted, stick around. All right, everyone, this is a fun color. I am really loving the sort of kind of the white highlights throughout. Very unique blending of color and definitely a cute style. I don't know why they discontinued the style. I kind of like it, but this isn't about the style, it's about the color. Let's look though at this from all sides. Make sure I get a little close so that you can see how this color looks. So I looked up the color codes on this one, and they're really, I mean, it's a significant blending of browns, dark browns, medium browns, whites, charcoal gray. It has a lot of colors in it. And when I looked up the color code 39, it said a burgundy red. I don't think that's right. I see no red in this, so I'm not really sure what all they have done here. And then it does say that it's rooted, but normally on a gray wig, rooting would be a dead giveaway that it's not natural, but on this one, the rooting matches all of these dark colors. So it looks like somebody's kind of going gray in pieces. I have seen women whose hair looks like this, and that the reason it looks like this is they've gone to a salon and they've said, don't remove all of my gray, but make it a little fun and trendy. So they end up getting low lights put in or dark pieces and lightening up some pieces. So I honestly don't think this looks all that unrealistic. I just think it looks like somebody's done some maintenance on their hair and have not wanted to go completely not gray. It's like they've embraced their gray, but wanted to do something a little unique, if that makes sense. That's what I think of when I see this. This is what, like, the stylish woman who has all of the name brand clothes and the beautiful jewelry, this is how she goes gray. You know, like she's just embracing the gray, but wants to have fun with it. That's what I think of when I see this. So let me take it off and then we'll get outside. So what I see here when I get up close, so I see the silver. We've got a lot of silver here. And then we've got a blend of like a super dark, almost black in some places. It's not black though, it's dark brown. I can tell when I look at it up close. And then we've got like a lighter kind of a brown, like a chocolate. So we've got some chocolate brown, we've got some dark ashy brown, we've got charcoal, maybe some white mixed in there. And it's all like salt and peppered throughout. So you've got thicker chunks, especially around the face, but then you've got a lot of kind of salt and pepper. And it's a little bit lighter up here, a little bit darker down here. So on the underside, can you see that contrast? Let me see if I can do this for you guys. Sort of fold it up. Can you see that contrast? I don't know if my lighting is allowing it to happen, but it's like you've got your lighter chocolate brown there, and then at the nape you've got a much darker brown that's not warm. Really, really unique. That's probably kind of the rooting that they've done. Really unique. I am actually really impressed with the color. It's kind of a lot of artistry went into this color. And I just think it's super flattering. I love all of these light highlights. I really do. let's get outside so you can see this color outside and let's see how it might look different. All right, here we are outside with this beautiful salt pepper rooted color. You guys as impressed as I am with all of the lightness around the face? Or do you think it looks less natural than I think? I mean, obviously it isn't fully natural, but that it looks real, kind of realistic. What a beautiful, beautiful color. The only problem I see with doing it like this is that every wig's going to be a little different. So if you get another style with this color, it may not be as heavy-handed on the highlights up front. And so you might get quite a bit of variation when they do that, which can be a frustration. A little bit of wind blowing that around. All right, guys, there you go. I hope that that helped you and you got to see what you wanted to see. Thanks for watching.